Hey guys, if you have an HP LaserJet M29w or a similar printer model that looks like this one here, and you have an error 03 or error 3, which displays on your screen, there is an easy and quick way on how to clear that and get back to printing, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. Error 3 usually refers to paper not being fed into the printer, and error 2 would usually tell you if there's no paper in here, but we do have paper. You tried to make a copy or print something and it did not feed into the printer for whatever reason. That pops up the error 3. Usually that is because the roller is not functioning properly. A great advantage on these printers is that it is not hard to get to those pickup rollers, and to do that you'll need to just lift the top and open the cartridge access cover. So this goes up. Let's go ahead and remove the cartridge. Also, let's remove the paper. So one of the things that you might want to check before you do this is make sure that your paper is loaded all the way. So here it is. This is where the paper is. Let me just show you as I remove the paper. This is the tray where it stops. This tab reads if you have the paper loaded in there. So make sure that's moving as it is in this video here or in this printer. And when I load the paper, it stops right exactly over here. These are the pickup rollers that I'm talking about. And when we remove the ink cart or the toner cartridge, we have a very easy access to the rollers. To clean those, and basically what I'm trying to get to is that these rollers, they will accumulate some dust over time, paper dust or just dirt, and it takes a while, but it may happen where it just starts slipping on paper when it's trying to pick it up and feed into the printer. Also, there's these kind of like stair looking like a staircase looking tabs that are paper separators. Make sure those are good, and this is also a very important, like these narrow lines right here, they are also kind of like tiny staircase type tabs. Make sure those are in place. If I rub against them, you can see like they're ribbed. So make sure that's all looking good. But most likely the problem is going to be with the pickup rollers. So all we need to do is just clean them. You can see I can spin one in one direction. It spins freely, so we can go ahead and take care of that. Also, it is like this whole assembly of the paper pickup gear assembly is made of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gears. So make sure nothing is popped out and out of place. If you spin the wheel, make sure all 5 gears spin. Then you know that it's good, and nothing is skipping. So you know that the printer is actually working and the rollers are spinning, trying to pick up the paper. Let's go ahead and clean these rollers. Well, what I usually use for that, especially if they're accumulated with a lot of dust and just kind of become like, you can touch it, like right now you can feel how like it's rubber material. Sometimes it gets so bad it feels almost like just plastic. So for a case like that, I'd use alcohol swabs, or you can just use paper towel and put some cleaning solution on it, such as window cleaner. Or if you don't want to use any solution, you can use warm water and clean it that way. So I have paper towel, sprayed some window cleaner, and what I'm going to do is just kind of wipe the wheel and spin it, then wipe it more, spin it more. So just like that. So the right one I cleaned with paper towel. You can use cloth. That will be even less lint. You do not want to use a napkin. That one leaves a lot of lint. I use something like this here. This is just an alcohol swab. It can be a great cleaner, especially for lots of residue on these rollers. It might be a bit hard to see, but what I'm doing is I'm just holding the alcohol swab under the rollers and I'm spinning one side. They're both simultaneously spinning here, and it's cleaning the roller on the left for now as I spin the right roller. And that one we already cleaned. So let this dry for a little bit. After the rollers are dry, we can go ahead and load the paper and insert the toner cartridge. There we go. Close the top cover. So the error is now gone. If it's not, just turn the printer off and turn it back on. And let's go ahead and send a copy through and see if the printer picks the paper up. Yep, it works very well. So that's how you get rid of the error. That's how you clear it and fix it. So error 3 is fixed now on this printer. So this will apply to M29, M30, and other similar printer models. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out other content, and have a great day.